The sanding drum projects through the table insert and turns as well as oscillates, providing an extremely fine finish. Internal radiuses and curves can be reproduced with great accuracy. The machine is provided with 10 different sized drums from 4-inch diameter to a 1/4-inch diameter. Select the closest drum to the profile you require. Changing the drum. Place one of the open-ended spanners onto the 2 nuts that form part of the collet. Place the second open-ended spanner onto the nut that forms part of the sanding drum. Twist the drum in an anti-clockwise direction. Select the appropriate drum. Make sure the tapered spindle is clean. Insert into the collet and tighten in a clockwise direction. Do not over-tighten. Select the correct size insert plate to fit the drum. Switch on at the mains isolation switch. Open the extraction gate. Mark out accurately with a pencil what you would like to shape to. If possible, remove excess stock with a bandsaw or coping saw. Switch on the machine by pressing the green button. Clamp the object against the backing board using your hands. This will allow you to apply pressure without placing your hands too close to the oscillating drum. Apply gentle pressure and allow the drum to smooth to the desired radius. Switch off the machine using the red button. To freshen the drum, place the cleaning block up against the rotating drum. Using the canting table, mark out the shape onto your object. Undo the canting table screws and adjust to the angle you require. Lock the screws, check rotation of the drum, switch on and proceed to sand the profile to the required shape. Returning canting table to a perpendicular position, slacken off screws, set using a tri-square with the drum, tighten up the screws. Close extraction gate. When an abrasive sleeve becomes worn, it's necessary to replace. Undo 2 Allen screws on the spindle nut. And by twisting and rotating, you should be able to pull off this old sleeve. Replace with a new sleeve by twisting onto the spindle. Tighten up the 2 Allen grub screws. Select the correct drum required for sanding the internal curve on your caliper set. If necessary, change the sanding drum in the machine. Switch on the machine. With the 2 elements of the caliper bolted together in the same orientation, place them up against the backboard and proceed to sand the internal curve. Switch off the machine.